Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. I'm Anna, and today I'm about to share something that's going to blow your mind. What if I told you that the secret to losing weight is sitting right there in your kitchen spice rack? That's right. We're talking about an ancient ingredient that's been used for centuries, but most people have no idea about its incredible weight loss powers. And the best part? You probably already have it at home. Are you ready to discover this game-changing secret that could transform your weight loss journey? Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share might just be the missing piece you've been looking for. Today, we're talking about cumin seeds, or as they're traditionally known, jeera. This humble spice that you probably use to flavor your favorite dishes actually holds incredible potential for natural weight loss. What makes this discovery so exciting is that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on fancy supplements or search for exotic ingredients. Think about it. This powerful weight loss ally has been sitting in your kitchen all along. Not only can jeera help you shed those extra pounds, but it also serves as a refreshing drink that's perfect for staying cool and hydrated. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal from Mother Nature herself. The magic happens when you transform these tiny seeds into jeera water, creating a potent wellness drink that can kickstart your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. And the best part? It's something you can easily prepare at home with minimal effort and maximum benefits. Let's dive into the amazing benefits that make jeera water a powerhouse for weight loss. First and foremost, you'll love knowing that jeera water contains virtually no calories. We're talking about just 7 calories per tablespoon of cumin seeds, while still packing a serious nutritional punch. This makes it the perfect addition to your weight loss journey without adding to your daily calorie count. But the benefits don't stop there. When you're hitting the gym or doing your morning workout, staying hydrated is crucial. Jeera water goes beyond simple hydration. It helps prevent acidity issues that can derail your exercise routine. Having a calm, balanced body is essential for maintaining that energetic workout rhythm you're aiming for. One of the most powerful aspects of jeera water is its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants work tirelessly to combat harmful oxygen radicals in your body, promoting both heart health and optimal metabolism. The combination of vitamins A, C, along with minerals like copper and manganese, creates the perfect environment for fat breakdown, while supporting those beneficial gut bacteria that play a crucial role in weight loss. What many people don't realize is that inflammation can be a hidden barrier to weight loss. This is where jeera water's anti-inflammatory properties become your secret weapon. By reducing inflammation in your body, you're removing one of the key obstacles that might be standing between you and your weight loss goals. Regular consumption, especially in the morning and evening, can help maintain this anti-inflammatory effect throughout your day. Think of jeera water as your body's natural detoxification support system. When you combine its anti-inflammatory properties with its ability to boost metabolism, you're essentially creating the perfect environment for your body to shed excess weight naturally and effectively. Isn't it amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact on your body's ability to transform itself? Now let's explore exactly how jeera water becomes your powerful ally in weight loss. One of its most remarkable features is its natural ability to suppress hunger. Have you ever found yourself fighting those mid-morning or late afternoon cravings? This is where jeera water truly shines. By sipping it between meals, you'll notice those unwanted hunger pangs starting to diminish naturally. The magic happens in your digestive system. Jeera water stimulates the production of digestive enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. Think of it as tuning up your body's engine to run at peak performance. When your digestion improves, you're not just feeling better, you're actually absorbing nutrients more effectively and reducing bloating and discomfort. What's particularly exciting is how jeera water kicks your metabolism into high gear. It's like having a natural fat-burning switch that helps your body convert food into energy more efficiently. The active compounds in cumin seeds work to increase your body's core temperature slightly, a process known as thermogenesis, which naturally accelerates fat burning throughout the day. But here's what makes jeera water truly special. It's working on multiple levels simultaneously. While it's helping control your appetite and boost metabolism, it's also supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. This three-pronged approach creates a synergistic effect that makes your weight loss efforts more effective and sustainable. Isn't it amazing how nature provides such powerful solutions in such simple packages? Now let me walk you through some delicious and effective ways to prepare your Jira water. The first and simplest method is what I call the overnight miracle. Take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and soak them in 2 cups of water before you go to bed. When you wake up, strain the water and you're ready to go. But that's just the beginning. Let me share some exciting variations that can make this even more powerful. For those who find the taste of plain Jira water a bit challenging, try the refreshing lime and Jira combination. After straining your overnight soaked Jira water, squeeze in half a fresh lemon. This not only makes it more palatable, but adds an extra boost of vitamin C and detoxifying properties. Isn't it wonderful when something healthy can taste great too? My personal favorite is the cinnamon-infused Jira water. Start with your basic overnight soaked Jira water, then add a small stick of cinnamon or a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Gently heat this mixture for about 5 minutes. Let it cool and strain. The warmth and subtle sweetness of cinnamon perfectly complement the earthy notes of Jira. For those looking to supercharge their results, try the apple cider vinegar blend. After preparing your basic Jira water, add a tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar. This dynamic duo creates a powerful combination that can enhance your body's fat-burning potential. Remember, whichever method you choose, consistency is key. Start with the basic recipe and experiment with these variations to find what works best for you. And here's a pro tip. You can make a larger batch and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, making it even more convenient to maintain your healthy habit. Let's talk about timing, because when it comes to Jira water, when you drink it is just as important as how you prepare it. I'm going to share with you the optimal schedule that I found works best for maximum benefits. The most crucial time to drink your first cup of Jira water is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. This jumpstarts your metabolism and sets you up for success. Give yourself about 30 minutes before eating breakfast to let the Jira water work its magic. This morning ritual can make a real difference in how your body processes food throughout the day. Your second serving should be about 20 minutes before lunch. This timing is strategic. It helps control your appetite and supports better digestion of your midday meal. Plus, it gives you a natural energy boost just when that afternoon slump might be trying to creep in. For your third and final serving of the day, aim to drink it about 20 minutes after dinner. This might sound surprising, but this evening dose is actually crucial for supporting your body's natural digestive processes while you sleep. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge to keep working efficiently through the night. Remember to sip your Jira water slowly rather than gulping it down. This allows your body to better absorb all those beneficial compounds and makes the experience more enjoyable. If you're just starting out, you might want to begin with 1 or 2 servings per day and gradually work your way up to 3. Now, while Jira water is a powerful natural aid for weight loss, it's important to understand that it's not a magic solution on its own. Let me share some crucial precautions and tips to help you get the most out of your Jira water journey safely and effectively. While generally safe for most people, consuming too much Jira water can lead to some side effects. You might experience heartburn if you drink it in excess, and some people notice heavier menstrual bleeding. If you're taking medication for diabetes, you'll want to monitor your blood sugar levels carefully, as Jira can have a blood sugar lowering effect. Think of Jira water as your supporting actor, not the star of the show. It works best when you pair it with a balanced, nutritious diet and regular exercise. I always tell my clients that sustainable weight loss comes from making comprehensive lifestyle changes. Try incorporating at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your daily routine. Whether that's a brisk walk, yoga, or your favorite workout, stay mindful of your portion sizes and focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Remember, Jira water can help suppress your appetite, but it's still important to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. And don't forget about staying hydrated throughout the day with regular water as well. Are you currently taking any medications? If so, it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider before adding Jira water to your daily routine. This is especially important if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions. All right, let's wrap up everything we've learned about the incredible benefits of Jira water for weight loss. We've discovered how this simple kitchen ingredient can be a powerful ally in your wellness journey. From its zero-calorie content to its amazing ability to boost metabolism and improve digestion, Jira water truly is a natural wonder. Remember, you can enjoy Jira water in various ways, whether it's with a splash of lime, a hint of cinnamon, or combined with apple cider vinegar. The key is to find the preparation method that works best for you and stick to drinking it 3 times a day. First thing in the morning, before lunch, and after dinner. But here's the exciting part. What I've shared today is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to natural weight loss solutions. Have you been wondering what other kitchen ingredients could help transform your health? Well, I've got great news for you. I've put together a comprehensive guide with many more tips, tricks, and natural solutions just like this one. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your copy of our health and wellness books. They're packed with practical advice, scientifically backed information, and easy-to-follow recipes that will help you accelerate your weight loss journey naturally. Did you find today's information helpful? Let me know in the comments below what other natural weight loss solutions you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Getting Sexy Back for more incredible health and wellness tips that can transform your life. See you in our next video.
Discover the healing power of nature with From Kitchen to Cure. Written by wellness expert Anna Diamond, this book offers simple, effective remedies for everyday ailments using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. From boosting immunity with herbs and spices to treating inflammation with natural oils. This guide weaves together time-tested Caribbean traditions with modern wellness science. What it does: